Data breach response firms versus in-house security and legal teams. Which one is better for fast incident containment? Most companies get this wrong. They think their intermediate and legal teams can handle a major data breach alone. The surprising truth is that time is critical, and specialized response firms often act faster and more efficiently to contain incidents and limit regulatory exposure. In-house security and legal teams have intimate knowledge of your systems and internal policies. They can quickly assess the situation, implement containment protocols, and ensure legal obligations are met. However, during a high-impact breach, these teams may lack the resources, specialized forensics tools, or real-time experience to handle complex attacks like ransomware or insider threats across multiple regions. Data breach response firms, on the other hand, are experts in cybersecurity incidents. They provide monitoring, advanced forensic investigations, and regulatory guidance. For example, if a multinational company faces a ransomware attack affecting European and US customers, a response firm coordinates legal notifications, investigates the source, and implements containment measures immediately. Their experience often shortens response time from days to hours, minimizing financial and reputational damage. The key difference is speed and specialization. In-house teams offer knowledge of internal systems and company policies, but response firms provide rapid deployment, proven incident protocols, and regulatory expertise. Many organizations combine both approaches. Internal teams detect and escalate issues, while external firms manage the complex response and communications. The takeaway is simple. In today's cyber landscape, fast and coordinated action saves millions and protects customer trust. The surprising truth is that relying solely on internal teams can delay containment, increase regulatory penalties, and exacerbate the breach impact. For any company, blending internal knowledge with external expertise provides the fastest, most effective incident containment strategy.